In this video, I'll show you how to create an aggressive shake transition in DaVinci Resolve using Fusion. On the Edit page, create an adjustment clip and trim it to about 10 frames. Place it right on the cut where you want the shake. Then, select the clip and go to the Fusion page. Click in the node area and press Shift and Space. Search for Camera Shake and add it. In the inspector, set X deviation, rotation deviation, and randomness to 0. Increase the Y deviation to around 6 for a strong vertical hit. Now, animate the shake. At the first frame, set overall strength to full and add a keyframe. Go to the last frame and reduce overall strength to 0. Set edges to mirror to avoid black borders. To refine the motion, open the spline panel. Select Camera Shake 1, smooth the keyframes, and adjust the curve so it hits hard and fades out quickly. Optionally, add a subtle directional blur or glow to enhance the impact. That's it! You now have a clean, aggressive shake transition you can reuse anywhere.